Ki paj ba nongshong shnong ka Maikhuli Ribhoi district ne kasing thok ding kila penlong da karali paj ba ban penpau persya ya ka memorandum of understanding MOU balaya soy hapdeng ka sarkar Meghalaya ban Assam ha ka bala ong bala IT no ya ka wei ka pung dohkha ka bakong san jong ka shnong shapo Assam ka Maikhuli ka dei ka wei na pedeng ki hinriutli ki jaka ki badan hapdeng ka jinya ka japut ya kabala deb ban ya keran penbej ha ka jing ya keran ya penbej ya uput usam hapdeng ka sarkar Meghalaya bat Assam na kalyang ki nongshong shnong ka Maikhuli kila penpau ka jing persya ka bajur ya ka MOU bat Dawa ya ka sarkar Meghalaya ba ka dei ban penbej no mardor ya ka ni ka jing ya soy bat ban penti kena ba ka ni ka pung kan wan phai pat sya Meghalaya na mar ka dei ka balabsa ya ki nongshong shnong mentala palat san posnem ki nong yalam shnong kila ong bakani ka pung rido kha ka dei ka blari la sumar da ki nong shong shnong ka Maikhuli bat la slemba kala long ka dak jong ka jingla ban shanya halade ha kalyang ka yo ka kot bat ka roi ka par hapdeng ki nong shong shnong kila yathu bakat kum ka MOU na kalyang ki menteri rangba ka jela bat Assam kila menjur ba ka lumjing tep bat ka madan yale kai ka Maikhuli kan hapno shapo Meghalaya kat baya kani ka pung dohkha on shimti no da ka Assam kini ki paj ba kila khot ya kini ki ar sarkar bakin penbej biang ya ki kendon jong kani ka MOU da ka bapen pau ba ka jing penhap ya kani ka pung dohkha shapo Assam ka dei ka bom shong nia bat ka jing yo ben ya ka history bat ka jing ya dei ha ka culture jong ki nong shong shnong ka Maikhuli bat kani ka jaka ngin om pediang satya ya kanu kanu kari ka ban lam sya ka jing du no ya ki jing don jing em ki jongi kani ka pung ka dei jong ki nong shong shnong ka Maikhuli bat ngin yai peteng ban ya khun na ka banta ban yo ya ka ong wei na ki nong ya ki persya
we are protesting here regarding Meghalaya government and Assam government. They have already signed the MOU in Delhi, but there is one point we have objectionable that memorandum number 5. I'll read out this memorandum. Whereas in the meeting between the Chief Minister of Assam and Meghalaya on 6 August 2021 at Guwahati Regional Committee headed by a minister with local MLA and other officers as members both side for the 6 area of difference covering 3 districts each of on both sides were to be constituted for jointly visiting the area followed by their independent analysis of the area of difference using 5 mutually agreed principle. IA1 historical perspective. 2 ethnicity of local population. 3 contiguity with boundary. 4 people's will, and 5 administrative convenience at your stick. We have learned that this point is not going to for our side. It is objectionable that people's will. This should be done by the Meghalaya government or Assam government. This is a very important point, and administrative convenience as yardstick, because Meghalaya government is already was given to us all the facility, schools and roads and everything given by the Meghalaya government. But Assam, we don't have any single paisa also. That's why we have objection that this fishery fund, actually this is given to the Assam government, that memorandum number 11, memorandum number 15, I read out: area out of the shared area, claim area of 2.29 square kilometer, a total of 0.50 square kilometer, approximately parts of the village Maikhuli, Pilangata and Borapata Stonguari area will be with Meghalaya. Further, in Khanapara area out of 0.08 square kilometer demanded during the discussion, it is agreed that the ASTC transit camp of police outpost Namkor Assamese inhabited area of number 1 Khanapara village, and Dreamland Resort area totaling approximately 0.03 square kilometer will be Assam. That place also, some Khanapara area also already given to Assam. The rest of the 0.5 square kilometer area, including the entire apartment complex of Brahmaputra Realtors Private Limited, will be with Meghalaya. In rest of the portion between ASTC Transit came to Dreamland Resort boundary will be along with the road connecting to the GS road. In Patarkusi area, inhabited by Garos and other ethnic communities of Meghalaya and their religious and cultural places, if any, will be included in Meghalaya during detailed survey. In Maikhuli area, Muammari Bill, which is adjacent to Maikhuli playground, will remain with Assam. That's why we are protesting this very important matter, that playground will be Meghalaya and graveyard will be Meghalaya. Then between this fishery pond, how it is going to Assam? That's why we have protesting this thing, especially this fishery pond. We have maintaining more than 50 years. So we have constructed returning wall and job card signboard is also here, and fishery we have given pieces here. Every year we have catching and we have selling, and that financial we have managing some schools and others also. This is not the Muammari bill. We call this Meghalaya in our Maikhuli village. This is the Maikhuli village fishery pond. Only we written this name, Maikhuli village fishery pond, not the Muammari bill. Muammari bill is 1 kilometer far from here. This is called Patorkusi Nogaung. There is no place now, Muammari bill, there is no. Because this is already filled up and constructed dwelling house, everything. That's why people are not known. That's Muammari bill. Actually, it is not called the Muammari bill. This is the Muammari bill is different. That's why we are protesting and giving the memorandum to Chief Minister and our Honorable Magistrate and DC also, Deputy Commissioner also. Just early when the Chief Minister came to this Umsning block inauguration, that time we have given a memorandum also, and Deputy Commissioner Ripoy and our Magistrate, Revenue Magistrate, Mr. Eric Duka. That also we have already given. And if any will be included, Meghalaya during the detailed survey in Maikhuli area, Muammari bill, which is adjacent to Maikhuli playground, will remain with Assam. And the Maikhuli graveyard will be with Meghalaya. Thus, overall Meghalaya will get approximately 0.50 per square kilometer, and Assam will get approximately 1.74 square kilometer. That's all. Because we have very much protesting this from the beginning. When Meghalaya state is carved out from the Assam since 1972. We are fighting. And 1976, when Captain Williamson Sangma is the chief minister, was the chief minister. That time, we went to meet the Captain Williamson Sangma regarding this border problem. There also, we should help from our Didi Lapang. He's still alive. He's very helpful to us in Maikhuli village people. That's why we went to meet the Captain Williamson Sangma at that time also. Now, we are not going to give our fishery pond to Assam because it is a well-known our Maikhuli village fishery pond. Now, since more than 50 years, we are maintaining. That's why we never going to surrender to Assam. It is the main point. That's why we are proceeding today. And also, we have more time. We have given the memorandum also to our Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, everyone, Chief Secretary also. When we got this memorandum, I myself, my name is Senepson Barak, I take out this RTI from our Chief Secretary Diwalang. No, that's why I got this memorandum and I have seen this all the point. No, that's why we are protesting here today. My view and my speak this much. So I request our Honorable Chief Minister Konrad Sangma, please look after this matter again and again. We have submitting memorandum also, and earlier we have submitted and details, historical and what to say, everything we have submitted to you. So please, sir, you please consider this matter and give back to the Maikhuli village.
Chief Minister Komrat Sangmako anga akan na mula kasabai jingiya emu san kagobako Assam aro Meghalaya government sakani asong kagobako please nipulbo. Cengade maina cenga fishery gure cengade maina watjawa. Cengade maina skanguni belsi sopunga gatam cengan jakhalenga. Ini gemen cengade maina fishery gure cengade onjawa. Na sir please na nibo. Terung sa nangi emu san kagobako na nipulbo. Aro cenga mai cengi district council ni haako na dikin direct do na manjawa. May cengade maina ino 6 schedule donga. Ingko na direct na manjawa ro sir. Na please na cengi ang bangiba kan jawa na kasapay na judge kana kasay mana na jirakiban na nipulbo ang anang ko yun metela.